KP classes, dedicated to excellence.
Hi everyone. The DDA Recruitment 2025 forms are out, and this session is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to fill the form. The application forms can be filled from 6th October 2025 to 5th November 2025. So first and foremost, we have to go to the DDA's official website, which is dda.gov.in. When you scroll down under the jobs and internship section, click on Direct Recruitment 2025 dated 5th October 2025. The portal for the application will open here. From here, you can read the instructions for the form filling, the advertisement for the posts. You can register and log in from here as well. So firstly, it is suggested for you to read all the instructions very carefully. Here we find the important dates and general instructions. For example, here it is mentioned what all documents are required in the form, like scanned signature, 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, degree or certificate along with its respective mark sheet, etc. In case it is applicable to you, you can also attach disability certificate, ex-men certificate, ex-serviceman certificate, as there will be a separate space for that as well. So it is suggested to read all this carefully before proceeding. Coming back to the original portal, the first step of the process would be registration. Here we require a valid email ID and a mobile number that would be used for the entire recruitment process. So upon clicking on click here next to register, the DDA registration form will open. They have mentioned the browser compatibility here in terms of Google, Chrome, Edge, etc. So make sure here you are using these browsers only. Then firstly, we have to fill the post that we have applied for. The post code will appear automatically. Then fill your name according to your 10th class mark sheet. Moving on, we'll have to provide the important details for registration, namely our mobile number and email ID. Click on Generate OTP after filling all these details. We need to fill the OTP that we receive on our phone number to verify our phone number and mail ID. Tick mark the declaration as I agree and fill the captcha. At last, the details that we have put will be displayed. Verify that your input is correct and tick each of the boxes against the information and then click on re-verify. At last, this message would pop up on for your consent. So click on I agree. This will mark the successful completion of the registration process. You will get a registration number. You will get an email, a login ID and a password on your mail to fill the form. So click on close. Step 2 is actually the form filling after the registration. If you're doing the process just after the registration, you can click on go to application as you will be already logged in. If you have logged out, just use the ID and password which is provided on your mail ID to log in. This is the DDA application form. So after clicking on go to application, the first kind of information we need to provide is personal details. This will be your basic details like gender, date of birth, reservation category, etc. After filling the basic details, you'll need to put the preferred city, which will be Delhi NCR in this case. We will answer questions about whether there is disability, ex-serviceman, etc. If any of these answers is yes, it will prompt you to provide more information on that. At the end of the page, you'll have to provide your bank details like the account holder name, the account number, the bank name, and then click on Save and Next. Next is the communication details. So here you'll need to fill in your correspondence address as well as the permanent address and then click on Save and Next again. The next tab is of qualification and experience. Firstly, you will need to provide 10th and 12th details, the board, the institution, the subjects, as well as the obtained percentage. If CGPA was given, then put the CGPA and the converted percentage according to the board's conversion factor. After this, similarly, you'll have to put your graduation and post-graduation details as well. When you scroll down on this same page, you'll have to fill your experience, name of the organization, the post held there, the duration. If you have more than one experience, just click on add new row, add the experience, and finally click on save and next for this page. At last, you have to put all the documents like photographs, signature, mark sheets, etc. First here, click on I icon to know the file format and the size of the file that is required. When you click on upload for photograph, you need to capture a live photo with your webcam under good lighting and a white background. The instructions and the particulars for photograph are already written here. Similarly, the signature needs to be uploaded in a black ink against white background. When you're uploading your essential qualification detail certificate, you need to upload the degree as well as the mark sheet as a proof for that. So read the general instructions while you are uploading all these documents. After uploading the documents, you will see a tick against each of the upload button. After uploading all the documents, tick mark all the declaration, fill the CAPTCHA. But before submitting the application, make sure you preview the application to recheck all the information. This is the preview interface. You can scroll down and check each of the information that you have provided. You can finally click on submit, but if you need to change anything, just click on back and do so. The last step for the application is the fee payment. It will be according to your reservation category and gender. For example, for assistant director planning for females, it was 1500 rupees. You don't need to fill the fee anywhere. It would be automatically generated. You can proceed with the payment through UPI or net banking. After your payment is successful, you'll get this message. You can print the entire form by clicking on print at the right hand side. You will also get a mail on your email ID after the successful completion of your application. So this is the entire process for the application filling for DDA Recruitment 2025. Thank you.
KP classes dedicated to excellence.